Welcome to Couch Cocktails. I'm Jenny. Today we'll be making a rum eggnog. Now hop on the couch and let's whip one out. So we're gonna start off by making the same syrup we made in the espresso martini video. So a 1/4 cup of hot water and a 1/4 cup of demerara sugar. If you don't have demerara sugar, you can use brown sugar. This demerara sugar is much less processed and it's gonna have a richer, kind of deeper flavor to it. Just give it a stir until it dissolves. Now that the syrup's made, we can add 3/4 of an ounce of our demerara syrup. Next, we'll add 4 ounces of cream. I'm using half and half. Next, we'll add our rum, 2 full ounces. I'm using an aged rum, which is gonna pull out the richer flavors of the syrup, so it's gonna work out really nicely. You can use white rum if you want, but this one's gonna have a bit more depth to it, which is what I'm going for. I'll put a dash of cinnamon. Couple drops of vanilla. With the vanilla as well, it's best if you use real vanilla. And finally, don't forget the egg. So if you want to enjoy it right away, like I'm about to, I'm gonna shake it over 1 ice cube. I just don't want to overly dilute it. I want to keep that rich texture and chill it a little bit. But if you have any patience at all, you can put it in the fridge for a few hours, which will help thicken it up a little bit and really give it a nice chill. And I'm also going to be serving it in a chilled glass. Give it a nice shake. Really get those guns going. The frothier the better. All right. That smells amazing already. Okay, so we're gonna pour it into a really nice chilled glass. To do that, just stick it in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Nice. Not quite done yet. Let's top it with some freshly grated nutmeg. Fresh is gonna make a big difference, so try to do fresh when you can. And for fun, we're gonna top it with a star anise pod. Bam. Now that's a rum eggnog. Cheers. Be sure to tune in next time. We'll be making a boozy hot cocoa. On Couch Cocktails, we wanna make what you wanna drink. So be sure to like and subscribe and tell me in the comments, what do you wanna drink?